It's a well-known scenario. A customer is waiting for your quote, and time is of the essence. After all, your other orders won't process themselves. But the calculation is extremely time-consuming. If only it were easier and quicker. To make matters worse, your employee with the most calculation experience has recently left, and the company no longer has access to their extensive expertise. It is proving difficult to find a successor. What can you do? In the future, this will not be a problem, because up2parts calculation will create your component calculation within seconds, enabling you to prepare a quotation at the push of a button, quickly, easily, and efficiently. How does this work? It is based on the artificial intelligence in up2parts. The innovative software analyzes your components using 3D models. The algorithm automatically recognizes the geometric properties of the components. Based on the analysis results, the AI then independently creates an individual calculation, including a detailed work plan for production and a complete quote, all within a few seconds. And what do you need to do? To get started, first select the required number of licenses and enter some basic information about your company. The application needs no installation or special infrastructure. Internet access will suffice. To obtain a calculation, follow 3 simple steps. Upload the CAD model. Wait for the calculation and work plan proposal. Create and directly issue the quotation. Done! Up2parts calculation results in a time saving of up to 80%, allowing you to quickly turn your attention to other important tasks. And that's not all. The better the intelligent software understands you and your business, the more accurate the work plans and calculation proposals will be. At the same time, up2parts calculation digitally preserves your company's valuable individual data, giving you a crucial competitive advantage. Do you have any questions? We will be happy to advise you. Further information is available at www.up2parts.com.